Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World with Art. Nothing to entertain a small kid at home? Make a stacking snail! Gather your materials. First, draw an oval with 2 vertical strips for a snail body on yellow paper. And cut it out. Then fold 1/3 of the oval and draw a smile on it with black marker. Next, using a circle template or freehand, draw 2 circles, 2 cm in diameter, on white paper and cut them out. Then use a black marker to draw a black circular pupil in each circle's center to make eyes. Then stick the eyes onto the ends of the strips. Next, staple 3 cylinders with 3 strips of paper. The narrowest strip should be the widest cylinder in diameter, and the widest strip should be the thinnest cylinder. Lastly, apply glue to the rim of the shortest cylinder. Paste the longer end of the snail's body under it, and stack the other cylinders in. Now you have a stacker! Sit back and watch self-entertainment occur, or you could play if you're actually bored. But thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.